What if you could fly from Tokyo to Paris in under 3 hours with zero carbon emissions? In this video, we reveal 10 groundbreaking Japanese planes set to change travel forever. From supersonic jets to electric flying cars and AI fighters, the future of flight has landed. Number 10. Mitsubishi FX. First up, the Mitsubishi FX, also known as the F3, represents Japan's ambitious leap into the future of air combat. As the successor to the F2, it is Japan's first 6th-generation stealth fighter, designed to redefine air superiority with cutting-edge technology. What sets the FX apart is its integration of artificial intelligence and drone control capabilities, enabling it to coordinate with unmanned systems in real time. This means the FX won't just be a lone fighter, but a command center in the sky, orchestrating swarms of drones to extend its reach and firepower. The aircraft features advanced stealth shaping to reduce radar detection and is designed for long-range combat missions. Developed in partnership with the UK and Italy under the Global Combat Air Program, the FX is expected to enter service around 2035. It's a game-changing platform that blends human skill with AI precision, promising to transform Japan's defense capabilities and set new standards in aerial warfare. Number 9. Mitsubishi X-2 Shinshin. Before the FX takes to the skies, the Mitsubishi X-2 Shinshin has already paved the way as Japan's stealth technology demonstrator. Unlike the FX, the X-2 is not a combat aircraft, but a flying laboratory for testing advanced stealth materials, 3D thrust vectoring, and other flight technologies. First flown in 2016, the X-2 is about 90% domestically developed, marking a significant milestone for Japan's aerospace industry. It helped engineers understand how to make aircraft less visible to radar and more maneuverable, crucial lessons that directly feed into FX's development. The X-2 also serves as a testbed for future unmanned stealth platforms, hinting at a future where stealth drones could operate with the same agility and low observability as manned fighters. While it doesn't carry weapons or enter combat, the X-2's contributions are vital for Japan's ambitions in next-generation fighter technology. Number 8. Tetra Aviation MK5. Shifting from military jets to personal urban mobility, the Tetra Aviation MK5, also known as the Solo Skycruiser, offers a glimpse into the future of individual flight. This fully electric eVTL, or electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, is designed for a single passenger and features 32 rotors for lift and propulsion. With a range of about 160 kilometers, the MK5 aims to provide quiet, efficient personal transport over urban and suburban areas. Unlike mass transit solutions, it focuses on individual mobility, giving people the freedom to fly over congested city streets and avoid traffic jams. However, the road to widespread adoption isn't straightforward. Regulatory approvals and safety certifications remain significant hurdles, as authorities work to ensure these new aircraft meet strict standards for urban airspace. Still, the Solo Skycruiser embodies the promise of a future where personal electric flights could become as common as driving a car, revolutionizing how we think about daily commutes. Number 7. SkyDrive SD05. If personal flying vehicles excite you, the SkyDrive SD05 is another project you'll want to know about. This electric VTOL air taxi seats 2 people and has a maximum speed of 60 kilometers per hour with a range of about 10 kilometers. Perfect for short urban hops. What makes the SD05 exciting is its target for real-world deployment at the Osaka Expo 2025, signaling that it's moving beyond concept to operational reality. The design emphasizes compactness, practicality, and ease of use, aiming to integrate smoothly into urban infrastructure. Regulatory approval is a major focus, as safety and air traffic management are critical for flying cars to become mainstream. SD05 is a tangible step toward making flying cars a part of everyday life, offering a clean, efficient alternative to ground transportation in crowded cities. Number 6. Mach 2 Aurora Space. The Mach 2 Aurora Space Plane is an exciting example of Japan's push into the next frontier of flight, space. Unlike traditional rockets that launch vertically and burn massive amounts of fuel, the Mach 2 Aurora is designed to take off from a runway just like a conventional jet. This reusable spaceplane aims to reach near-space altitudes without relying on rocket boosters, blending the technologies of both aviation and space travel. Developed through a collaboration between JAXA, or Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, ANA, or All Nippon Airways, and Dawn Aerospace, the Aurora is still in its conceptual and testing phases, but holds enormous promise. Its potential applications are wide-ranging, from rapid satellite deployment to suborbital scientific research, and even ultra-fast logistics. By making access to near space more routine and flexible, the Mach 2 Aurora could revolutionize how we use space, opening new opportunities for commercial, scientific, and defense purposes. Number 5. ZEST. On a different but equally groundbreaking front, Japan is also pioneering the ZEST project, Zero-emission supersonic transport. This hydrogen-powered supersonic jet is designed to fly at Mach 4, which is 4 times the speed of sound. Unlike traditional supersonic jets that burn fossil fuels and generate significant noise and pollution, ZEST uses hydrogen-powered air-breathing engines, which emit only water vapor. The project also focuses on advanced thermal management to handle the intense heat generated at such high speeds, ensuring the aircraft remains safe and efficient. Currently in the conceptual stage, ZEST aims for deployment sometime in the 2030s or 2040s. If successful, it could revolutionize long-distance air travel by combining ultra-fast speeds with sustainability, setting a new global standard for clean aviation. This project reflects Japan's commitment to tackling climate change while pushing the boundaries of aerospace technology. Number 4. Mitsubishi AI-driven unmanned jet. Next, the Mitsubishi AI-driven unmanned jet is pushing the boundaries of autonomous military aviation. Unlike remotely piloted drones, this one-seat jet operates entirely on onboard AI, capable of executing complex missions such as electronic warfare, reconnaissance, and threat response without human input. Scheduled for testing in 2025, this jet represents a major leap forward in combat aviation, where artificial intelligence can make rapid decisions faster than any human pilot. The potential for these jets to operate in coordinated swarms could revolutionize air combat, allowing for flexible, adaptive tactics that reduce risk to human pilots. This technology could shift the balance of aerial warfare, blending autonomy with advanced sensors and weapon systems to create a new class of unmanned combat aircraft. The Mitsubishi AI-driven jet is a glimpse into a future where AI doesn't just assist pilots but leads missions, dramatically changing how air battles are fought. Number 3. Archer Midnight. Shifting from the battlefield to urban skies, the Archer Midnight is an electric VTOL aircraft that's gaining traction in Japan. Originally developed in the United States, it has been adopted by Japan's Source Cooperative, which plans to deploy over 100 units, particularly around the Osaka Expo 2025. The Archer Midnight seats 4 passengers plus a pilot and boasts a range of approximately 32 kilometers. Designed for short city-to-suburb hops, it offers a practical solution to urban congestion and pollution. Imagine bypassing traffic jams by boarding a quiet electric flying taxi that takes off and lands vertically from rooftops or designated pads, no runway required. Japan is not only focusing on the aircraft itself, but is also actively developing the necessary infrastructure and regulatory framework to support this new mode of transport. The Archer Midnight is a key player in Japan's vision of a future where urban air mobility becomes an everyday reality, connecting communities faster and cleaner than ever before. Number 2. Kawasaki P1. On the maritime security front, the Kawasaki P1 stands as Japan's premier anti-submarine and surveillance aircraft. This plane is equipped with quiet turbofan engines to minimize acoustic detection, advanced sensors, and a magnetic anomaly detector that aids in locating submarines beneath the ocean's surface. Notably, the P1 is the world's first operational aircraft to employ fiber optic flight control systems, enhancing flight responsiveness and reliability. Fully armed and mission-ready, it plays a vital role in protecting Japan's extensive maritime borders. The P1 acts as a high-tech sentinel over the seas, combining stealth, speed, and cutting-edge electronics to monitor and secure critical waters. In an era where maritime security is increasingly crucial, the P1 provides Japan with a significant strategic advantage, ensuring vigilance and rapid response capabilities. Number 1. Kawasaki C2. Finally, the Kawasaki C2 is Japan's heavy military transport aircraft designed from the ground up to replace the aging C1. This powerful aircraft can carry over 36 tons of cargo across distances exceeding 8,000 kilometers at speeds approaching 890 kilometers per hour. That's faster and has a greater payload capacity than many comparable airlifters, including the well-known C-130. The C2 is highly versatile, supporting combat deployments, disaster relief, and humanitarian missions. Its advanced avionics and efficient design make it indispensable for rapid response and logistics. Moreover, growing interest from other countries signals its potential as a competitive export product. The C2 underscores Japan's capability to produce world-class heavy airlifters that meet demanding operational needs, ensuring troops and supplies reach their destinations swiftly and reliably. After exploring these 10 revolutionary Japanese aircraft, the future of flight is clearly here. From stealth fighters and AI jets to electric flying cars and reusable space planes, Japan is shaping travel to be faster, cleaner, smarter, and more exciting, transforming how we connect, explore, and protect our world. Love exploring the cutting edge of aviation and dreaming about where technology can take us next? Hit subscribe and join us for your next journey into the skies and beyond. Thanks for watching.